Hello friends, it's me Python Magician again. Welcome to the second tutorial of Python. This time I'm going to be teaching you the basic syntax of Python programming. Okay, so basic syntax with one way of indenting a code. So suppose if, okay, Python, so I'm directly using the command line. So let's see, if this if and else statements will come in some of my other tutorials. So if you really want to see what is if else condition and all those, don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell. All right, let's continue. So if 3 is greater than 2, print double quotations. Remember what we told last time? Yeah. Print 5 is greater than 2. Now it will execute 5 is greater than 2. Oh, by mistake, I have written than n 2 times, but that you can avoid. But if you write something like if 3 is greater than 2, and you directly just say print here, like this, something, right? And then you press enter, it will say indentation error. This means that you will have to give at least one or more tab spaces. So suppose I say if 3 greater than 2 and I give either a space or a tab space, print 5 is greater than 2. Alright, if you do this, it will execute. The number of spaces you want to give is yours. Either you can press the tab button or you can press the space button. But the number of tab spaces you give should be equal. It should basically be equal to both the print statements, or both the conditions should be equal after the if. So suppose if 5 is greater than 2, space, print 5 is greater than 2. Okay, and you say print 2 is lesser than 5. You can say this 5 is greater than 2 and 2 is lesser than 5. But suppose you say this, do the same thing, and you say 2 tab spaces. Yeah, you give 2 tab spaces, and you do the same thing over here with another tab spaces. Here it will say unexpected indent. So what have you learned today? That if you use an if, there should always be one tab space on the condition after the if. And if you're giving two conditions, both of them should be in the same number of tab spaces. If you do one more and one less, it will give an indentation error. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned to see more tutorials and learn more in Python. Thank you.